Hey everybody, this is Coach Mark, and as what I've said last video, we will play a song today. So the title of the song is One Day. So One Day has 4 chords. So the chords are C, G, A minor, and F. So again, C, G, A minor, and F. And what strumming are we use? We're going to use the strumming pattern 8 notes. So that one, 8 notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So that's 1 if you're familiar with that note. So again, so we'll apply it in the song One Day. So first is you need to apply the whole note because it's the intro and verse. So make sure that it's the like it's the relaxing or it's the chill intro and verse, like this one. I mean the half note, half note, not whole note. I mean the half note. You apply half note in the verse and intro. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can sing if you know the lyrics, because I don't know the lyrics. Here we go, the 8 note. This is the exercises and the practice only. Verse, half note. Eighth note again. Continue. So it's up to you if you're going to, if you play the whole song or if you play until chorus. So you can play it with the audio. So if you have audio with audio One Day, so you can download and then play with the audio. It's the same chord with the audio. The C, the G, A minor, and then the F. So that's all for today, and hope you learn the song and you apply it at home or you practice it at home. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.